Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your WhatsApp account permanently from your phone. Actually, sometimes we created our WhatsApp account for some reason, right? But in later we don't need to use that number WhatsApp account in our phone. So that's why we need to delete that WhatsApp account permanently, because if you don't delete it, that time everyone will see that you are using your WhatsApp account. So that's why you need to delete it. So I'll show you the easiest process for deleting your WhatsApp account permanently. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, let me go to Play Store and then make sure your WhatsApp application is already up to date, because if you don't update it, that time maybe this process will not be same. Okay, so whatever, after updating your WhatsApp application, just open it and then you can log in that phone number. Okay, so after login that phone number in your WhatsApp account, then just click here 3-dot line, and after that click here settings option and just go to account, then click here delete my account, and you can see there are some caution available, which is deleting your account will. I mean, if you delete your account, that time this will happen: delete your account from WhatsApp and erase your message history, delete you from all of your WhatsApp groups. This will happen. And if you have payment info, I mean, everything will be gone from your WhatsApp account. Okay, and you can also see change number. Instead you can change it. I mean, if you don't want to delete but you want to delete it, right? So you can see this is my country code. I am from Bangladesh, so you will see your country code in here, and then type here that WhatsApp number. And for making sure, just get back from here and you can click here profile icon, and you can see this is my WhatsApp number. So make sure this number will be deleted, I mean in your phone. Okay, so this is my number actually. So whatever, just go again, delete my account and give me that number in here, and after giving it, just click here delete my account and wait for a few seconds, and you can see we hate to see you leave. Tell us why you are deleting your account. So select a reason. So just tap on it and you can choose any one of it. I am changing my phone number, or I am changing my device, any one of it. Okay, so let me click the second one. I am changing my phone number. And how can we improve? Optional this is, so don't need to do anything. Just click here delete my account, and you can see it look like you want to change your number. Tap change number to migrate. So don't click change number, just click here delete account option. So let me click on it and proceed to delete your account. Deleting your account is permanent. This is permanent. Okay, you can't retrieve your chat history. Your data cannot be recovered if you reactivate your WhatsApp account in the future. Okay, so for deleting your account, just click here delete my account, and your WhatsApp account will be deleted permanently. Right now I don't need to delete my account. I'm just showing you just process. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.